Welcome back. So, why do we have seasons? The question of the day. Let's pretend that this is our Earth. Let's pretend that the rubber band is the equator. And this little red pin can be Chicago, which is fairly close to Glen Ellen and pretty close to Indianapolis. I think you know that the Earth spins on its axis, imaginary axis. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, noon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, midnight. 24 hours in one day. So it takes one day for the Earth to spin around completely. Okay, so let's pretend that this is the sun. Goofy, but let's pretend it's the sun. I think you also know that the Earth orbits around the sun. And it takes one whole year for the Earth to go around the sun. And it's spinning the whole time, of course. Spins counterclockwise, orbits counterclockwise. Now, the strange thing is, sometimes it's not a perfect circle. Sometimes the Earth's a little bit closer to the sun, and sometimes it's a little bit further away from the sun. And here's the strange part. When it's closer, that's winter, and when it's further apart, that's summer. What? So why do we have seasons? All right, here's the deal. As our Earth spins on its imaginary axis, it is not straight up and down. It's tilted. It's tilted at about 23-degree angle. So, we've got a new setup over here. Let's pretend that the lamp is now the sun. And each of these represents a season of the Earth. I'll put this one back in. So notice it's tilted, 23-degree angle. They're all tilted in the same direction. Now, if you look on top or above, notice Chicago. Which one of these Earths is Chicago tilted away from the sun and a little bit more in the dark? Which one? I'm thinking maybe that one. Okay, if it's tilted away, a little bit more in the dark, and the bright part of the sun is down here in the southern hemisphere, that might be winter. So here's winter. And which one of these Earths, I should actually have that right like that, sorry. Which one of these Earths is actually tilted towards the sun and Chicago's getting a lot of brightness? I'm thinking maybe it's that one. So what season would that be when we're getting a lot more of the sun on the northern hemisphere? You got it. It's summer. All right. Now, goes in counterclockwise, so after winter, we're now in spring. After spring, we're now in summer. After summer, we're now in fall. So this is spring. And this is fall. Notice, now before I put these on, notice fall and spring are tilted, but they're not tilted towards the sun, and they're not tilted away from the sun, are they? They're straight up and down. Not tilted towards, not tilted away. That's why we have an equinox. 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of darkness, equal night, equal day. Oh my gosh, you all just figured it out. We have seasons because the earth is tilted on its imaginary axis at 23 degrees. Nice job.